Hey everyone, my name is Frank Andrus, and in this little video I want to show you the power of marketing on Skype. If you're not on Skype currently, you really should be. It is pretty much the best free tool online. You can message people, you can talk with them live one-on-one, and more importantly, if you're in the sales business, you can share your screen. So if you need to do a presentation or if you need to show somebody the back office to whatever your product, service, or opportunity is, Skype is definitely the way to go. When marketing on Skype, there's two major issues. You need to be able to find the Skype IDs of the people you would like to message. And those need to be targeted, right? You don't want to be targeting people randomly. That's just bad marketing. In the company section, because this was first built for the network marketing industry, I got over 500 different network marketing companies here. Now this software is not limited to one particular industry. All you have to do is go inside these little quotation marks and you can type in anything you wanted. So if you were in a business and you were trying to track down real estate agents, for example. Now in this example, I'm not going to pick a particular city, but you could definitely geo-target it. I'm just going to show you how quickly this works. So I've typed in real estate. I click Get Page. So on the first page, the software went out and it found 5 real estate agent IDs. I click Get Page again. So after 2 pages, I got 11. So how amazing is that you could have 11 brand new contacts that you can message. So remember now, this is going to work for just about any product, service, or opportunity that you have online, right? If you want to do real estate, that's fine. If you're selling to doctors or dentists or lawyers, great. If you're in the weight loss industry and you want to find other like-minded people in weight loss or network marketing, it's really endless what you can use it for. So I would save these IDs here, and I just put real estate, and then I press save, and then I would go over to the Generals tab here in the software, and I would open that file that I just saved. And once it's open, I can type in whatever message I want here. You know, I can type in, so in this case, it's real estate, right? So I just wrote, I was online today and it came across your info, because that's exactly what happened, right? We don't have to give them the exact details of how we got their information, but that I got a couple questions about their listings, right? If I was in the marketing business, that also would be true, right? I'd be wanting to ask them about, you know, where exactly are they listing, how is that working for them, those kind of things, if I had some kind of a marketing product to sell the real estate agent, right? If you're in the opportunity business, then it's the same thing. I tell people that I came across their information and I have a couple quick questions about their business, because I do have a couple quick questions about their business. I want to know how long they've been involved. I want to know how it's working for them, and I want to know if they're open to another opportunity or another revenue stream, right? So when I do that, I can even personalize it. I could have put this little squiggly line bracket in here and another squiggly line bracket in here, and it's going to actually personalize the message. I can also add it to a list. So I can say real estate here, because if I was selling multiple things and I wanted to have messages that were industry specific, then I can go back later and I can click on my real estate list, which I'll show you in a minute, and then I can message people that are in that list. So now when I import, if you look over on the left-hand side, you're going to see that they're being added over here. Okay, so the software is messaging them all. You can see the progress it's done, but over on the left-hand side, you can see that they were all added here. If I click on any one of them, you can see the personal message that I sent them. So each and every one of them was sent that personalized message, okay? So now let's go into the software and see what you can do with it. I showed you the search. Now, when you get to messaging users, this is a brand new account for demo purposes, so there's nobody in there. But when you have lots of Skype contacts, you can check all of them. So there's only the actual Skype version here. But usually there's lots of Skype contacts in here. So you can check all your contacts, or if you want to just message the people online, it'll go through your big list of contacts, and it's going to only check the ones that are actually online at the moment, or you can check all the ones that are offline. You see here where I got the Skype lists, well, it added that real estate list, right? So if I went to Skype lists and I clicked on real estate, here's all the people I added to the real estate list. Okay, can you really see the possibilities here? And then if I want to message them again, and then when I send the message, if I checked all, then whatever message I type in here is going to be sent. So, all right, so I hope you can see the power here. Works in any niche. You can message any amount of people that you want. This is a marketing miracle. Lets you use one of the biggest social media. Only Facebook is bigger in membership than Skype. And one of the things that I didn't mention is if I move this out of the way, if you look on the Skype screen, if I go and I click on somebody, what do you notice? You notice there's no advertising here. Once in a while, Skype will put a little ad in the corner. But you don't have everybody bombarding your customer with ads and invites and all of these things. There's none of that noise. So this is a prime place to get somebody's undivided attention, to educate them about your product, service, or opportunity. So click the buy button below and get access to this amazing software today.